Welcome to AI Force, your source for Salesforce AI news and insights. I'm your host, Mark Good, and Google's release of the latest AI model, Gemini, marks a significant leap in the AI landscape. This obviously has a major impact in the workflow augmentation for all of Google's products, but also potential impacts on Salesforce professionals as well. Gemini stands out for its ability to understand and combine various types of information, including text, images, audio, video, and code. This multimodal approach, integrated from the ground up inside Gemini, allows it to interact across different modalities, which offers responses that were previously impossible on Google AI in platforms such as Bard. To go beyond basic text and images, you had to use GPT-4 via ChatGPT. Gemini puts Google on the map as what I would call a generalized AI model. Thinking through the implications for Salesforce professionals, the possibility of Salesforce incorporating Gemini into its prompt builder as a language model option could dramatically improve the capabilities and results that we get out of prompt builder and into Copilot. We're already headed that direction with Einstein Copilot anyway, but this could bring major improvements to the capability to the already proposed functions of the Einstein 1 platform. Thinking along the lines of enhancing the Google Salesforce relationship, Salesforce and Google already have a partnership. If Gemini's AI capabilities get injected into the products currently integrated within Salesforce, that could lead to a significant boost in overall performance and productivity for Salesforce end users. I think this is coming, and the release of Gemini is just the first step along this journey. What about the Google OpenAI competition? It's Google now competing more directly with OpenAI. I think that's the case. This puts Google in the room from an LLM capability standpoint, and Gemini actually positions Google right alongside, if not ahead of, OpenAI's ChatGPT and GPT-4 offering. Its reported benchmark metrics in handling multiple complex data types and problem solving put Gemini in direct competition with OpenAI's GPT-4 model. Gemini could actually be the turning point where Google overtakes OpenAI in delivering actionable AI to its users. If Google delivers this AI capability across its products, it will definitely accelerate the adoption of AI across business platforms. Speaking of accelerating the adoption of AI, I'm doing that for Salesforce professionals at AIForceTraining. If you're still not exactly sure how to use AI inside your Salesforce org, or you need to get your team trained to deliver AI solutions, head over to AIForceTraining.com to get the latest details on our GPT Specialist program. Moving on to the Gemini API. Developers are going to be staying up late testing the API for their current solutions that already include AI. The availability of Gemini via API is a game changer for developers who are already working on AI solutions using OpenAI's API via GPT-4. Developers are going to start shifting their efforts to check out the capabilities and performance of Gemini. Many developers will make the shift and begin using Gemini instead of GPT-4, which I think will put pressure on OpenAI to go ahead and pre-release or release earlier its GPT-5, any autonomous agents it has, Q-Star, or anything that they have in their arsenal to fire back and keep OpenAI out front in the race. I bet you didn't know this, but in 2017, it was Google's team that developed Google's DeepMind team that developed and published. They were the primary publishers of the paper Attention is All You Need, which this was sort of the kickoff point for the generative AI revolution that we know today. So Google has it in them, and they are the founders of GPT as we know it today. And Gemini, I think, was a long time coming. Salesforce professionals, I think this introduction of Gemini makes us think about AI adoption and how we're going to move forward with Gemini's multimodal capabilities and how it could transform how we approach tasks inside Salesforce, with the ultimate goal, again, obviously, of making our end users and ourselves more efficient as we work. So framing this the right way, Gemini is not another AI advancement. It's really a catalyst to the further development of AI, its adoption, and the incredible solutions that we're going to be able to deploy as Salesforce professionals. We're at the forefront of this change, and we have this sort of unique opportunity to harness AI to enhance our skills and to drive growth for our organizations. Learn more at AIForceTraining.com. Link in the comments. Like and subscribe before you go. See you later.